Hey you guys, good morning. I hope you're having an amazing day. I don't know if you have realized, but I went from doing my properties of the day sometimes to properties of the day every morning before I hit the gym. So I wanted to go out and mention today's property of the day, which is at Pier 57. And the reason why I wanted to give it some special attention is because if you don't live here and you don't know where Pier 57 is, and you've never been to Pier 57 before, you are missing out on something really located here in the romantic zone. And it is probably one of my most favorite places to recommend whenever my friends and family come into town and they want to know where to stay. I live in the romantic zone, and Pier 57 is literally just walking distance from the beach. You're about a block and a half until you get over to the beach. Their rooftop is absolutely incredible. So a lot of the photos that you're going to see here in the little slide that I do for my properties of the day are of their rooftop. It is so much fun up there, and the people that always rent here, the vibe that's always happening up on the rooftop is probably one of the best ones that we have here in Vallarta. Inda's also a lot of fun. You just have really good music. There's always people up there having a lot of fun. You have a bar that's always staffed. They've always make really great cocktails. It's just a great place to come if you want to unwind after your beach day. Hit the rooftop and just relax with your friends, cracking up, laughing in the pool. Then when the sun goes down, everybody goes over to the jacuzzi. After the jacuzzi, you can go into the sunken little fire pit area, and the staff that works at the bar will set everything up for you. It's just really cool. So if you're looking for an investment property, Pier 57 is one of the very best ones that we have here for rentals, because that place is always full. Always that I go up there, I have friends that have rentals there, and they're just little rental gold mines. So you're gonna see this one that we are listing here. It is $975,000 US, 2 bedrooms with 2 baths, a little over 1,100 square feet. If you have any questions about this condo, let me know. I'm gonna show you a bunch of photos right now. That is just regular photos. I did a video of it yesterday, so you will be able to see a walking video of it soon. But because it just hit the market today, that's what my properties are of the day are properties that have just hit the market. So take a look at these. This is a great investment opportunity. It's in a really good location. It is one of the most fun places to stay here if you're coming on vacation and you want to stay somewhere for a rental. That's kind of all I have to say about Pier 57 at the moment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe down below. I show you guys my properties of the day every morning. I do 2 to 3 walkthroughs of properties that are on the market here for sale, and sometimes I let you know what's happening around Vallarta. So let's get into this and stay tuned to the end. You'll have my contact information. You'll also be able to see my contact information down below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you can catch all these videos. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Have a great day, guys. Peace.